guys, thanks for coming to check out another wig review. So today's wig review is sponsored by Sam's Beauty, and Sam's Beauty is a longtime partner on this channel, so I want to give them a huge shout out. Sam's Beauty is an amazing company. They ship quickly. They have so many different wigs and different types of hair that they offer. They even offer hair care products and beauty products. So make sure you guys check out Sam's Beauty, and yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, you guys, before we get started, make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl, because I got a lot of good stuff coming your way. So the unit that we're going to start with today is the Sensational Cloud 9 wig. This one is from the Swiss Lace What Lace collection, and it's the Hairline Illusion Lace wig. Now, I have definitely reviewed other What Lace wigs on this channel, and the wigs are amazing, so I already know this is going to be popping. This one is Kiyari, and this one is in the color T6 27613. Now this is a color I believe I've gotten before in the past, but not necessarily from Sensational. I feel like I've gotten this color from maybe from Outre, I believe. I think I've gotten this color from Outre before. But let's look at the claim to fame for this wig. So it's going to be your natural density around the hairline. And it's also going to have an undetectable lace. And so, yeah, I am excited to go ahead and give this one a try. This one is also available in a bunch of different colors. Most people I see review this wig, though, it is in a natural color. That's why I decided to get a blonde. Now, if you like the wig that I'm rocking right now, I do have a review up on this one. This one is also by Sensational. This one is called Moneymaker. So I will leave a link to where you can check out this wig either up here or in the description box down below. So this one is definitely blonde. This is a platinum baby, and I absolutely love it already. I feel like this wig is so fire already, okay? Let me go ahead and show you guys the stock card on this one. So this one is looking like she's definitely an everyday type of wig. In this blonde color, I don't know if she's so everyday, but y'all know me. It doesn't matter what color a wig is. If I say it's everyday, it's everyday, baby. I wear it every day. I don't even really care. But, you know, I don't work in an office desk job. I don't have to worry about all those codes of conduct and what's appropriate and what's professional. Here at my house, where I work from home and run my businesses from home, whatever I say goes. That is one beautiful thing about working for yourself. You do not have to follow those guidelines of professionalism. If I feel like wearing a sports bra and pajama pants to work, guess what? I put on a sports bra and pajama pants and roll over here to this studio and sit my booty down and record. Just like that. And whoever don't like it, guess what they could do? Not watch. You don't have to watch. People get so pressed about the clothes I wear on this channel, though, you guys. Like, I can't even tell you how many. And the craziest part about it, the people that get pressed about what I wear on my channel is always women. And that's the part I don't understand. It's like, sis, you have the same thing that I have. Like, why are you pressed if I'm showing cleavage or I'm wearing a crop top or I have on shorts? Like, well, shorts they can't really tell, but like, why are you pressed about it? I don't get it. That part I never can really understand. Explain that to me, y'all. Let's start a discussion down below. Like, why are women on this channel watching my wig reviews pressed about the clothes that I wear? Like, I can't tell you how many comments I get about it. So let's go ahead and look at the construction on this one. We have two combs on the side. We have one comb in the back. We have two adjustable straps. It looks like this is like a partial spandex cap. So like this is a net and then here are just the tracks. I've never really seen a cap construction like this before. I'm not sure why some of it has the tracks and some of it has the net. I'm not sure as the thought pattern behind that, but it does have a lot of parting space, and it is a lace front. Wow, that is definitely a nice density. That's a nice density in there. Let's part it, see how it looks. I love this color because you don't have to worry about the knots looking like they're bleached or not. This does have baby hairs. The baby hairs feel a little crunchy for some reason. I'm not sure why they feel crunchy, but the baby hairs feel a little crunchy. I really like this one, you guys, so I'm excited to pop her on. Before I do, I think I'm going to add just a little bit of lace tint spray because I really do not want to get that gray cast. I'm almost out of this spray, so I'm not going to go too ham with the spray. But I am going to put some on here. All right, so I'm going to hit this with the blow dryer, dry this, and then come right back. This wig literally fits my head perfectly. Like, words can't even say how perfectly this wig fits my head. The color of the lace with the lace tint spray is perfection.
That's good.
All right, you guys, so this is Miss Kiyari, and you guys, like, this one is super cute. This is an everyday wig if I ever saw one. Like, she is absolutely everyday approved. She is Dragoness approved, Dragoness ready. I love this type of a wig, you guys. The type of wig you can just wear any and everywhere. The type of wig that stands out or can blend in. Like, baby, she is just cute. She is absolutely adorable. You can wear her behind the ears. You can wear her in a ponytail. You can wear her half up, half down. Like, the density is banging on this one. And the color is fire. Don't be afraid to play with color, you guys. I know sometimes it can be a little bit scary. You don't know what you're going to get. You don't know how it's going to look on you. But this one, yes. It's a yes for me. It's absolutely a yes for me. Let's put her in the middle part. And I'm not doing like hard down parts on this one, you guys. I don't think it's necessary. You can just wear her like flipped over. And I really like my wigs just flipped over. When I go out and about, like, I don't wear hard parts in my hair because I like to play with my hair. I like to move my hair around. And when I have a hard part, like, I can't do whatever I want to do with my hair while I'm out. So, yeah, love her. Love her. And in this color, yes, she's a yes. She is a yes. So many good things about this wig. The texture, The thickness, like she is nice and full. Like she is literally like shining. I mean, not shiny though. Not shiny. It's just like this type of blonde that just like vibrates. I love it. I absolutely love it. Cute. Love this wig, you guys. Thank you so much, Sams, for sending this wig over. If you guys want to check out this one, make sure you check out the link in the information box down below so you can check her out over on SAMSBEAUTY.com. Make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl. And make sure you share this video. Share it with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share it with your mama. Share this video with your mama. All right, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.